Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel where I unbox subscription boxes so you can decide, is it worth it or not for you? Today, I've been filming for a while guys today and I'm down to my last beauty box. Only things left after that involve food. Who's all ready for food? I am. But it is my Allure beauty box for August. Allure boxes are $15 a month. I think their prices may actually be going up, so I would double check on them. One of my boxes, the prices are changing, and I can't remember if it's Allure or Glossy Box. But I think it's Allure. They might be going up to like $18, so double check. So these come with 5 plus items, a mix of full size and deluxe sample size. It's never really a set number of how many there are. There's 5 or more. Really. And Allure is wonderful. I love it because I love trying out samples of lots of things, and Allure is just great. And also they have fun boxes, and yes, I am doing the shiny thing with my light because I love it. But let's get into it. Allure has yet to disappoint. They always give me such great skincare stuff, and like sometimes the occasional lip product or like eyebrow gel. That's where I got the Anastasia clear brow gel, which I love because I've got some unruly brows. They're not even ruled right now with the brow gel. So, okay, we got our thing here. Quick check. It just says on balance. So my guess is this theme is kind of like dealing with stuff and how to keep yourself balanced. Okay, let's get into it. Oh, the first thing on top is from Pixi. I love Pixi. Personally, I have lots of things from them. Eyeshadows, let's see, lip colors. I think I put some gloss on top of my lipstick, which is now making it come off. But it was a Pixi gloss, like all kinds of stuff. And so now I have a face oil. Okay. So this is the Pixi Skin Treats Rose Oil Blend, Rose and Pomegranate Oil, Nourishing Face Oil. Face oil is not something I use a lot. So here's our traditional Pixi thing. It's like light green, mint green, and pink and gold bottle. And so this actually came, let me show you. So it came with the bottle and the dropper separate. And now I'm going to combine them because that's going to be way easier for me to keep. But they did that, I assume, to keep the product in here longer. Okay, I can definitely smell the rose. Let me get out. Okay. When I'll put 1 drop on the back of my hand. So if it's rose, it's going to go a long way. Oh my God. Yeah, I was just saying about my lipstick. Apparently, it's already all over my hands right now. So I just got it all over this brand new bottle. Good job, me. Okay. Ooh, it's already like running down my hand. And yes, it's got a lovely rose scent to it. It's a nice oil. I will figure out the best way of using it on my skin because I'm already so oily. Basically, it says use AM and PM, massage 2 to 3 drops onto cleansed toned skin. So you use it as a serum, essentially. And then for extra hydration and glow, add 1 to 2 drops to your moisturizer. Okay. Okay, that's an interesting idea. That might be good. I have lots of things, though, that I could use. Lots of highlighters I can throw in moisturizer. Okay, something in here is a bubble wrap. So we're going to open that one next. There's something in here that I'm excited about, too. So this is from Floss. It says it is Brighten Up Highlighter. Oh, it's a highlighter. The top part of it says never tested on animals. We like that. Okay, so it is a single pan highlighter in a beautiful gold color. Come on now. Oh, that's soft. Oh, that's really soft. Let's see. Let's do right here, nice big swatch of it. Yeah, that's a real pretty color. Let's see if I can get it. Oh, no, I don't know if I can get it to show up. Interesting. Let me try a little bit more. It's really pretty, but I'm sorry. It's got to partially be because my hands are already a mess. Okay. I got it a little further. Yeah, so you can kind of see it here. It's got this light. It's very light. So this isn't going to be your like blinding kind of highlight, it's going to be a much more natural glow. So this is in the color Sunlit. Yeah, so you're gonna look, this is more like a nice sunny, like I'm kind of glowing, I'm not overly bright, but that's pretty. I mean, it's really pretty. It's kind of in the vein of everyone's favorite Rodeo Drive from Ofra, but like on the lighter end of it, as opposed to someone who forgot that Ofra highlighters are super strong and blinded myself with it at one point. That was real fun. Okay, next up, there's a lot of things in here. There are 7 things, in fact, in here. Interesting. So the next thing in here is from, I'm going to guess it's Wish. It's W-H-I-S-H. It is a botanical primer. It says reduces environmental stress. So this is another primer. I've opened some of those today. Okay, let's see. So this one needs to be mixed up. It just got liquid all over me. Okay, let me give this a good shake before I try again. Yep, I can hear it in there. It needed to be, it looks like it had separated a little. Okay, so it's kind of a white color. I kind of like this. So a lot of my primers are like silicone-y, diabethicone, whereas this one is not. This one was not that. It felt more like a moisturizer just going straight onto my skin. I can't tell you if it had any blurring effect on the back of my hand. Because again, the back of my hand is a nightmare right now with scratches and things like that. I've got some eczema showing up on this hand. Normally it stays to my right hand, like right here, if you can see that in the light. But it's just been a lot. Hand sanitizer, washing your hands, like just plus the weather, where it's been so warm. It's just not working out for me. Poor me. I'm fine, don't worry. Okay, the next thing is something I can't test. This is from Ernzo Laszlo, and it is the famous black soap Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. Smells good. I like soap, but I'm not even gonna open this right now. I have so much bar soap, guys. So this is a little soap. This might be a full size, like, soap could be hard to get through. But basically, it says use directly after the cleansing oil of your choice as part of your double cleanse ritual. Okay, so this would be like your water-based of after your oil base for your double cleanser. Interesting. Cool. Okay, so highlight, primer, serum, facial oil, soap to take it all off with. What else we got in here? Man, Allure is killing it this month, guys. This is so great. Okay, so this is from Sulwahasu. Oh, I'm so sorry. I butchered that one hardcore. I would guess it's in Korean, but it's got some like kanji up at the top there, but I'm pretty sure Korea, Japan, and China all uses the same, like, one system. Okay, look at this tiny cute little bottle. So this is a First Cream Activating Serum. Oh, I tried to twirl the top off. It is actually a tiny little pump. Swatch. Oh, it's like a bright gold, like yellow. A little bit on the herbally side, not super, super strong, but a really nice, like, it didn't feel super oily, fit in really well, like just blended on my skin, and it smells great. By the way, I love these tiny serum bottles because I can actually get through all of them, and I don't feel like this is going to be a track. This is a lot. Like, this is not a lot. And granted, these are very different things. Like, let me read the back of the Silo. So this one is, the serum improves major signs of aging while boosting your routine, featuring Jaum Balancing Complex, a cocktail of 5 Korean herbs, soothes, nourishes, and firms for a healthy glow. Okay, cool. Yeah, interesting. Okay, something next in here is from my very favorite H2O Plus. It is the Hydration Sensitive Gel Cream Moisturizer, which I believe is the sensitive version of my favorite moisturizer. I've talked about it before. Let me see. I've got some over here. Okay, so this is the old packaging. So this is the H2O Beauty Oasis Hydrating Treatment Water Gel Moisturizer. And so this one is a gel cream moisturizer. So I think this is actually more like the other one that I got from the other box. Hold on, I'll find it. Yeah, okay. So this one, they're the little different. You see how one's blue and one's purple. But let me see if it is going to be a cream or if it's like the white cream or if it's going to be the blue gel. I like the blue gel. And, oh, it's pink. It's like a pink cream, right there. Interesting. This one doesn't smell as nice. It doesn't really smell like anything. It reminds me of just like a very basic, like something that might be unscented, but has some kind of smell to it. Not that that's bad. But like I said, love this brand. I just adore them. They are made, everything is made in Japan, which I definitely like. We have a lot of K-beauty stuff, like this is K-beauty, but like not a lot of Japanese one, but they've also got great stuff as there. And this is hydration sensitive, so this might be good, especially if you've got sensitive skin. We got one more thing in here, and it looks like a mask. But guys, look at this art on the front of this. It is a mask for sure. It is a brightening lift up mask. Perfect fit mask. And yeah, I mean, it's a sheet mask. I love sheet masks though. I created some new stuff for my sheet masks. Here, I won't show you. I have these. So Colourpop had the Frozen 2 makeup collections, and there was one Anna and one Elsa, and I actually have both the collections, and then my sibling got one as well. And so now I have all these boxes, and I turn them into storage for my face masks. And then one of them is storage for my primers. But yeah, feels nice and juicy in here. With that, I think that's it. So that is a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 products and 1 sheet mask. That's a good deal. I know it's the full size, and I literally just saw this at Target. Target has they recently, my local Target updated their whole beauty section, and like, it's legit, it's cool, but they have a huge Pixie section now. I mean, it used to be the only place you could get Pixie as well. You can get it at Ulta now. But I saw this there, so I know this is the full size bottle. And it is $24, which for a serum, or in this case a facial oil, that's pretty good. I mean, for this size. Pixie is a great brand with some really affordable products. I have one of their toners that is like chef's kiss, like one of the best ones. Love it. Okay, so our next one is this teeny tiny bottle here, which is obviously not the full size because the full size is $84. So this is a nice little sample size serum here from Sulwahsu, or however you pronounce that, I don't know. But yeah, so it's really good. Next up we have our bar of soap here. This may be the full size, the black soap. Oh, this is $38. Is this the full size? I would check into this, but like, this may not be. This may be a smaller size of it, but there's a pretty penny there for this one. Also, okay. No, yeah, I think it's a different one because the packaging on it is a little bit different, though it doesn't have any like, do not sell. I will look into it. So far I know that this is a full size, and this itself is worth double, like almost double the box, so this is a good deal. This is a full size highlighter. So this is the Floss Brighten Up highlighter in Sunlit, which is $20. Whew. And it's just saying, I like to look shimmery, but not like I glued glitter directly to my face, which is like I was saying, this is not like a blinding glow. This is a very natural glow. And this one specifically, they suggest using a fluffy brush and then going across your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, and on the Cupid's bow. It's really good. Yeah, it's a champagne-y gold, which is really good. Really nice. Really flattering on many, many people. Many skin tones. Up next, we have our Hydration Sensitive Gel Cream Moisturizer. And this is obviously a sample size because the full size comes in a little pot. I would guess it's actually not very little. This is 10 milliliters and that's 50. So this is, you know, a fifth of the size of that. But that's cool. Like I said, love the stuff. I love H2O. Never used anything from them I didn't like. Up next we have our Wish Botanical Primer. And Oh, okay, so I was saying that this felt different, right? So it says right off the bat, I knew that this primer was different because in addition to argan oil and aloe, it contains bactol, a gentler alternative to retinol. And yeah, that's really interesting. So it's $44 full price. This is not full price either. On the back it says not for resale on it, which is how you know that's a sample. And then our last one in here is our Looks and May Brightening Uplift Perfect Fit Mask, which is $3. So, this is, again, I love Allure, but I can never tell you pricing on it. So I'm going to go off of the 3 things in here that I know for sure. The highlighter, the serum, and the face mask, which brings my box to a total of $47 of just those products. And like I said, I'm pretty sure, yeah, that this is a full size. I think they must be more indie, like not a big brand. I've heard of the name before. I don't have anything. But yeah, I don't know if this one is probably not full size. I'm guessing it's a smaller size. And obviously I know the other ones aren't. But yeah, I mean, even at $47, that's still a significantly like more than what I paid for it, including something that I do want to try but I haven't before, something that is so expensive I would never get to, something I'm really excited about, like having a different kind of primer. Love a good highlight. This soap sounds interesting. More products from this company and a new sheet mask. Like overall, I'm pretty thrilled. And if we're talking about balance, on balance, like it says, listen, I'm stressed, my sleep schedule's all out of whack and it seems impossible to decompress with everything that's on my mind. You know, I haven't read anything that I just relate more to than that. Whew, so much going on. But it's nice to have these kind of boxes and things to treat myself and to feel a little bit fun and to be able to try out things I wouldn't normally get to. And honestly, if you have some money or some want for it, I would say go. The Allure one is a good one, especially if you're looking for skincare. It's low on cost. Allure or Ipsy, those are my 2. Low on cost. You get fun stuff that you never would like get. You might not think of getting yourself, and it's really nice. It's a little present to yourself every month. But that brings me to the end of my video, and thank you so much for watching all the way here. If you can, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave me a comment, whatever. It's fun. I have fun here. Let me know if there's something you'd like me to check out, and yeah, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day. Bye!